everyone, so I do not like doing styles on my own hair, but sometimes you're going somewhere, you need your hair up. So I've seen the style, it is really easy, trust me, because I don't like doing this. It takes 5 minutes, let's go. So to prepare, I want you to get 2 grips like this and an elastic or a very, very small like hair tie. And you're just going to push that way, like so. And that one through here. So you've created a little like bungee. After that, you are going to come to the front and you're going to take out these sections from the side. I haven't got that much hair at the front, so you might not need to take as much if you've got sort of more hair here. But yeah, you're going to basically take out these front bits like so. So scooping this hair up from the back, you are going to twist it. So twisting upwards, twisting, 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 like so, and then I'm just going to turn that around like that. So taking your little bungee, you're going to push one side through, stretching it up, coming to the other side and pushing through, and that's going to keep that in place. We're going to come back to this little knot that we created. Just give it a little bit of a pulling out. And then going to take this section of hair, look from the front, just make sure it's all nice and smoothed out. And then you're going to just gently twist this section. And then just tease it out a little bit. Pin that side into place. Again, you're going to come to the other side, do some twisting. Tease it out. So then you'll just go in and just gently tease out these pieces until you're happy. I think on this bit, I'm just going to pin this bit across here. So just looking in the mirror here, you could add more volume at the front. I kind of like it as it is. It looks like I haven't tried too hard. So I've got my bits out at the front, a little bit of bun showing, turn around for you. So you've got the nice little side sweep, that messy bun at the back. You can pull that out more if you want to. And that is the style complete.